Indoor dining comes to Illinois tomorrow as the state enters phase 4. The man behind one of the most successful Chicago restaurant groups has a request businesses rarely make: more government regulation. If there isn't, he tells Tara Molina, restaurants could be forced to close.
The state of Illinois and the city of Chicago have both released guidelines for restaurants reopening right now. But there's a big gray area. How do those restaurants continue to operate if an employee tests positive for the coronavirus?
If another restaurant doesn't do this well, or if we fail to do it properly, that's actually bad for the whole industry.
An industry Nick Kokonis knows well. The co-owner of the award-winning Alinea group understands what works and what doesn't. And while he's comfortable charting new territory, he says at this point, when it comes to moving forward in the age of COVID-19, everyone needs a better map.
It would be really, really nice to have liability guidelines for businesses.
A better set of guidelines for restaurants on how to handle a worker who tests positive, how to keep their doors open after that happens.
It would be really good to have, I think, open protocols that you just say, when an employee gets it, this is what you need to do. Step A, B, C, D.
They're steps they navigated on their own. Nick says 2 workers tested positive earlier this month. They deep cleaned, and every worker exposed voluntarily tested and tested negative.
It's costly.
At the group's expense.
You know, we closed for the day.
Something he says isn't sustainable, especially with the existing guidelines on quarantines. Guidelines that could make it impossible to stay open. Restaurants are then put in an impossible position: ignore a positive test result or shut down entirely.
You can imagine that a business that is less robust right now may just say, what we don't know can't hurt us, kind of thing. And that's pretty scary, I think.
So his message as we navigate a new phase of reopening.
It's incredibly important that we have precise guidelines to follow so that not just my business handles these cases well, but so all businesses handle them well and consumer confidence can begin to grow back.
I reached out to Governor J.B. Pritzker's office about this, and I was directed to current guidance for restaurants. We've linked to that on our website, but we'll continue to track any changes as we move into phase 4. Reporting in the Loop, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News.